What does it mean? What are you talking about? Yeah?
Mom, make it, Mom.
Okay, Bug. What's going on with Charlotte? Yeah? Did you have a good day today? Yeah? Oh, I can't believe it. That's a crazy story. I've never heard something so wild. Yeah? Did you get to spend the day with your sister? Yeah? Was it fun? What did you and sister do today? Yeah? Oh. Oh my goodness. That sounds like a good time. Yeah? What else? What else was there? Oh my goodness. Yeah? What? The boots? Oh, it's food. Is that all? Nothing else going on? Oh, okay, we'll get you. Oh my goodness. Okay. You ready? You want to get up? Okay, say bye-bye.